Here is a list of top 5 most profitable agricultural business that you can start in the new season. As usual, this is going to be a very short video. So let's dive into it. But before then, if you like videos like this, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, I've been giving you video content back to back. Go through them. These videos will help prepare you for the next planting season and to guide you on where to invest your money in when it comes to agriculture. If you've been getting value so far, please smash the like button, like my videos, subscribe to the channel. The very first most profitable agricultural business that anyone can start is spices production. So on this channel, I have an A to Z guide on how you can start agro processing and packaging from your kitchen. And that particular video, I specifically talked about spices production. Maybe I'm going to do a new video on that. But before then, please go and check out the video. Spices is the new cake. Anywhere you go, spices. We have sugar spice. We have, say, my agricultural business class, we introduced this new topic, spices. And spices has like 4 subtopics under it because it's actually a very wide topic. Maybe one of these days I'm going to bring it to the channel to discuss fully, but spices is very profitable. The next profitable agricultural business that you can get started is honey business. Yes, honey business. I have a detailed video on honey business on the channel, so you can also check that out. Honey, you can start trading honey, but make sure you're getting quality honey. And if you want to get quality honey, you'll be getting it from Nasarawa or Taraba. Yes, these are the 2 places that you get genuine and clean honey that I can recommend. I'm not saying other places don't have, but the ones that I can vouch for are from Nasarawa and Taraba because we have plugs that supply us honey from there. The next business is crayfish business. I don't know why I'm bringing all this up now. Maybe because it's something that really trended this year. A lot of people went into the business and they broke even. And I've done videos on this business over 4 or 5 years ago. Please check it out on the channel. Crayfish business. But note, there is risk in crayfish business if you've not done the business before. And the risk is kind of low or high if you really understand how it works. Because you may go and buy a bag of crayfish and half of the bag is shaft that they pack and put for you inside. So you need to understand this business before you can do it. The next business that you can get started is very profitable is plantain business. As plantain mama, as someone that cultivates plantain, as someone that trades plantain, as someone that does everything with plantain business, there is money in plantain business. All you need to do is find a market that is ready to buy at your price and you'll be cashing out. So if you're interested in going into plantain business in particular, I have 7 videos on this channel talking about plantain business. That is how profitable plantain business is. I have done 7 videos talking about it. So you can just check out my playlist and check plantain farming. You will see everything you need to know about plantain business. Even the one that you did not send me to tell you, the secret in plantain business. I think I said it. I can start plantain business with less than 20,000 naira. I said so. Go and check out that video. And finally on my list is fruit business. Yes, fruit business, because when I added this points to my list was when I went to the fruit market in Lagos. Maybe I'm going to take you all along on the vlog one day. I went to fruit market in Lagos and I saw that the orange tree I caught on my farm, I was meant to be bringing it here to sell. So there is money in fruit business. Now, fruit business is wide, just like spices business. In fruit business, we have juice, we have smoothie. Just pick the one that works for you. So I think out of all this that I've mentioned, the only one I've not done a detailed video for is fruit business. In my next video, I'm going to sit down and do a detailed video for you. But doing this video, I would like to go to the fruit market to shoot the video so that you will see what I'm talking about. So anytime I'm chance, I'll go to the fruit market and film this particular fruit business video so that you will see the profitability in fruit business. Alright, like I said, this video is meant to be a very short video. If you got value, please smash the like button. If you want me to do an updated version of all these points that I just mentioned, let me know in the comment section and I'm going to calm down and film the videos for you. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.